Hello everyone. In this video, we will solve a few practice sums on lines and angles pertaining to parallel lines and transversal. Sum 1. Find out measure of angle ADF based on the following figure. Given is from figure we see that angle ABC and angle BDE form corresponding angles in this parallel line and transversal scenario, and therefore I will take all the terms with x on one side and all numbers on other side. So that gives me 3x. 2x moves here, becomes minus 2x. That is equal to minus 10 moves that side, becomes plus 10. And therefore x is equal to 30. And because x is equal to 30, we can find angle ABC is equal to 3x. So 3 times 30 minus 10. And that is equal to 90 minus 10, which is 80 degrees. And angle BDE equal to 80 because they are corresponding angles. Now BDE and ADF, they make linear pair because they are linear pair. Moves that side, becomes minus. And therefore angle ADF is equal to 100 degree. Let's do the next one. In the given figure, BE and CE bisect angle ABC and angle BCD respectively. If measure of angle ABC is 78 degrees, prove that measure of angle BEC is 90 degrees. Given is so now because B bisects ABC, angle EBC is equal to half of angle ABC. Half bisects, and therefore 39 degrees. Let this be our equation 1. We also know that because they are co-interior angles, AB is parallel to CD and BC is the transversal. So this and this, they are co-interior angles, and therefore ABC goes that side, becomes minus, and so minus 78, and therefore angle BCD is equal to 102 degrees. Now we know angle BCE is half of angle BCD because this CE is again bisecting. Which is equal to 51 degrees. So now what we have found out is, we have found out this angle, we have found out this angle. And now remaining angle is this. And we know in a triangle, sum of angles is 180 degrees. And we have BCE we calculated as 51 degrees and EBC was 39 degrees. Ninety goes that side, becomes minus. And we have proved that it is 90 degrees. Let's do one more. In the given figure, AB is parallel to CD, angle BEO is 125 degrees and angle CFO is 40 degrees. Find the measure of angle EOF. So givens are and we have to find measure of angle EOF. So let's draw PQ parallel to AB. So step 1. So now PQ is parallel to AB, but AB is parallel to CD, and that's why therefore PQ is parallel to CD as well. Now we know if PQ is parallel to AB, then EO is a transversal, and hence angle QOE will be co-interior angle with angle BEO. So angle QOE is equal to 55 degrees. And in similar way, PQ is parallel to CD, OF is a transversal. So angle CFO and angle QOF, they will be alternate interior angles. And therefore angle QOF is 40 degrees. And now we want to find angle EOF. Angle EOF is equal to angle QOE plus angle QOF. See here, this plus this is this complete angle. And that's why angle EOF is equal to 95 degrees. Let's do one more. In the figure below, lines BC and line EF are parallel. The size of angle X is equal to 117 degrees and the size of angle Y is equal to 115 degrees. Find all interior angles of AEF. Given is, and we have to find all the angles of triangle AEF. Now, because EF is parallel to BC, because it is a linear pair, so angle EBC is equal to 63 degrees. Similar way, angle FCB is equal to 65 degrees. Now we know that reason they are corresponding angles. So if you see here, this angle and this angle, they are corresponding angle. And in the same way, this angle and this angle, they are also corresponding angles. So now in a triangle AEF, sum of all interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees, and therefore /63 plus 65 is 128. 128 goes this side, becomes minus, and so angle EAF is equal to 52 degrees. And so we have found all the three angles of triangle AEF. Watch our other videos on this chapter for complete understanding. Do subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. It will ensure that you get notifications whenever we upload a new video.